Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a real treat for you. A quick, easy, budget-friendly recipe for Trader Joe's Mandarin orange chicken. This dish is not only delicious, but it costs just $4.99. And trust me, it's even better than Panda Express. Let's dive right in. So there's a couple different ways that you can warm the chicken. I believe it's pre-cooked. You can use the microwave, you can bake it in the oven. I chose to fry mine on the stovetop in coconut oil. Next, you add the 2 packets of orange sauce. Then toss it around to coat evenly. There you have it, a quick, easy, budget-friendly Trader Joe's Mandarin orange chicken recipe that's better than Panda Express. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.